So today we're going to learn how can we connect Looker Studio to Google Sheets. What I did, I created this Google Sheet where you see like a basic e-commerce report where you see the order ID and some other things that we can play around with. And can you connect this one to Looker Studio and visualize some of these numbers? So in order to do that, what I need you to do, you need to have access to the Google Sheet, of course, here. You have to be the editor, most likely. And then you go to the blank, you click on this one, and then it will, of course, as we saw before, it will tell you like which connector you want to connect it to. You say, I want to connect to Google Sheets. You click on this one, and then you need to authorize that. Once you authorize that, you give Google Sheets and Looker the ability to connect with each other. Of course, I have only one sheet, as you can see. It's only one sheet. And then I connect to one sheet. Of course, I need to keep these clicked in. I don't want to have like specific range. In some cases, you might need to have specific range, but in my case, I don't want. I just say add the report. Now, once you add the report, what you will see, you will have all the dimensions and you will have all the values as well. So let's say that we want to get the order ID and let's just give it a try like the profit margin. We can have it. Let's say that we want to make this one as a pie chart. You can just click on this one and you can have a pie chart. And then you can have a lot, of course, like it's the others. But yeah, that's how can you connect your Looker Studio to Google Sheet. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you.